Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to play my new track, Achilles. It's going to be released this Monday, and this is a professional master, and I just wanted to play it for all my subscribers, give you guys a little sneak preview. Nobody else has heard this other than the record label. It's going to be released by One Division Records, and it will be on Beatport, available for sale. So I'm just going to play it. I hope you guys like it. Okay, I'm going to cut it off right there. That's pretty much the extent that the record label will allow samples. So yeah, anyways, if you like it, it will be available for purchase on Beatport. I believe it's about 7 minutes long. So it's a pretty good ride. Yep, exactly 7 minutes long, 7:01, I believe. Yeah. Yeah, it's a pretty decent track. I'm pretty proud of it. We will see what it does. I'm hoping it hits at least the hot release chart, but you never know. All right, and thank you very much for watching. I will put a link to a couple videos that are on my channel that featured this track in the production process in the suggested videos. So look out for that.